Now, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create an audiogram using ℍ𝓪𝓲𝓭. The process is super easy, and what you need to create one is to have the soundbite or the audio clip from the podcast episode and the template that you created using Canva. So to get started, just go to make.ℍ𝓪𝓲app/create and then choose the audiogram maker to create one. Now all you have to do is to select the audio, so you can enter the podcast name, RSS feed, or the descriptive link, or you can also upload the audio clip. So this is what I always do. I always upload the audio clip. So just choose the file or the audio clip. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use the sample that we have right here. Okay, so let's first listen to this sample audio.
Congratulations, you're using ℍ𝓪𝓲𝓭, the best way to make videos for your social feeds. If you have any questions or need any help, please get in touch with us. We want to know anything we can do to help you make better videos, so please don't be shy.
Okay, so now you also want to make sure that the captions are turned on by clicking this captions off right here and then toggle the button to turn it on. So it says here that you have free transcription this month. We still have 9 minutes left, and right at the top you can see that you can select 10 minutes or less of audio. This is for the free version of ℍ𝓪𝓲𝓭. So you have 10 minutes worth of audio or 10 audiograms in 1 month, because an audiogram or an audiogram that you can post on Instagram should be less than a minute or a minute. So if your client releases a weekly episode, which means 4 podcast episodes a month, which means 4 audiograms, considering that you will be creating 1 audiogram per episode, it's okay to stick to the free version of the ℍ𝓪𝓲𝓭. Now, once we have selected or turned on the captions on for this video, just hit next. And now you will be asked to choose the aspect ratio. So for now, we will be using the square ratio, but we also have this option to use portrait, which is best for Instagram stories, Snapchat, and TikTok. So we're just gonna use the square one and then hit next. Okay, so what you want to do right now is to add that image that you just created in Canva. So click on image and then select that particular template that we created. Okay, now that's all good, so we can just click this X button right here, and now we are going to modify or edit the waveform. So you can also choose the color of the waveform and also the design. So for this particular tutorial, let's say we want to use this one, this round bars, a type of waveform, and we also want to change the color because we are going to put it right inside as a white box, so we want to make that contrast. Let's say we just want to use this one right here. Click on the X button, and now we can reposition our waveform. Okay, now we have resized the waveform and put it or reposition it to the place where the waveform element was originally in place, or the one that we removed from the Canva template. So we just have to reposition it to make sure that it sits on place. Now, you can also choose to rename this project. Let's say Audiogram sample.
Congratulations, you're using ℍ𝓪𝓲𝓭, the best way to make videos for your social feeds. If you have any questions or need any help, please get in touch with us. We want to know anything we can do to help you make better videos, so please don't be shy.
Now it says it's creating the project and it may take a few minutes, so don't refresh the page. Let's just wait for it. Now it says loading your project. And now you will see the actual audiogram right here. You can see the waveform, and then right at the top on the left side, here you will see the captions that are being generated. So it usually takes half the time of your source file, so let's just wait for it. So there it goes. Now you want to make sure that the captions are correct, and these captions will appear right here. Now if you want to reposition the captions, you just have to click on this letter A, or the textiles and animation button right here. So you can reposition the captions however you want. You can also customize it. But before doing anything, make sure that the lock caption times is turned on. Okay, let's go to custom, and then we can change the color, but we want to leave it that way because the background is dark. So let's try to change the font size, make it appear smaller. Okay. You can change other things here. You can change the background. You can also change the text highlight color, and that's just about it. So what I just do, or what I usually edit in this part of ℍ𝓪𝓲𝓭 is the font size, the font color, and sometimes I remove the text highlight color, so it's just white and without the highlight. So to do that, I click this one right here to copy the transparent background, and then right here I just paste it. Okay, it's not reflecting. Let's try it one more time. I try to save it and see if it makes any difference. Okay, it's not making any difference. Let's try to do that again. Go to custom, copy this transparent text, Okay, I'm not sure what's happening, but it should work once you paste that transparent text on the text highlight field. So let's just pretend that we have, or let's just let it stay this way, or still with the text highlight. And let's try to play the audiogram with the captions. So if you want to see the whole project, you can press F11 on your keyboard and then skip to start to play from the start.
Congratulations, you're using ℍ𝓪𝓲𝓭, the best way to make videos for your social feeds. If you have any questions or need any help, please get in touch with us. We want to know anything we can do to help you make better videos, so please don't be shy.
Now, if you are okay with the captions and the format, you can then export this audiogram by clicking this export button right here. Just leave this setting as is, and then export my video. So now it says that it's generating the video, and to keep this tab open. So while waiting, or I think it's taking too long, but while waiting for it to generate the video, oh there, so fast. I think it's because it's just a very short clip. That's why it generated it fast this time. So now it says your video is ready. Download it here. Just click this button to download your audiogram. And that's just about this tutorial.